तहकीक-ए-हिंद. And the answer is Al-Biruni. Who was last independent Sultan of Bengal? And the answer is Ghiyasuddin Mahmud Shah. Which Delhi Sultan had set up a separate department of slave? And the answer is Firoz Shah Tughlaq. During the reign of which Sultan Genghis Khan invaded India? And the answer is Iltutmish. During the reign of which ruler Ibn Battuta came to India? And the answer is Mahmud bin Tughlaq. Where did Murshid Quli Khan transfer his capital from Dhaka? And the answer is Murshidabad. Gopala was the founder of, and the answer is Pala dynasty. During whose reign East India Company established his first factory? And the answer is Jahangir. Which Sultan of Delhi brought in the so-called pillar to Delhi? And the answer is Sultan Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Which Muslim invader conquered Bengal during the time of Lakshman Sena? And the answer is Bakhtiyar Khilji. When did Ikhtiaruddin Bakhtiyar Khilji invaded in Bengal? And the answer is in the year of 1201 AD. Who introduced Iqta system? And the answer is Shamsuddin Iltutmish. The Battle of Train was fought between Muhammad Ghori and the answer is Prithviraj Chauhan. Who wrote Humayunama? And the answer is Gulbadan Begum. Who was called Jinda Pir or living saint? And the answer is Aurangzeb. Name the Sultan who introduced rationing system in India, and the answer is Alauddin Khilji. Which Chola king conquered Bengal? And the answer is Rajendra Chola I. Who founded Sikhism? And the answer is Guru Nanak. Who was the last Chola king? And the answer is Rajendra Chola III. Who founded independent Sultanate of Bengal? And the answer is Murshid Quli Khan, was the first Nawab of Bengal. Who wrote Amukta Malyada? The answer is Krishna Deva Raya, the ruler of Vijayanagar Empire. The practice of sati was declared illegal by, and the answer is Lord William Bentinck. The Gandhi-Irving Pact proclaimed the suspension of, and the answer is civil disobedience movement. The Congress adopted the resolution of Purna Swaraj at its session held at Lahore. Who started Budhan movement? And the answer is Vinoba Bhave. When was Jawaharlal Nehru born? And the answer is 14th November 1889. The title of Governor General was changed to that of Viceroy in the year of 1858 AD. What was the name of the periodical published by Gandhiji during his stay in South Africa? And the answer is Indian Opinion. In 1930, Mahatma Gandhi started the civil disobedience movement from Gandhi Sabarmati. The capital of India was shifted to Delhi during the reign of Lord Hardinge II. Raghupati Raghav Rajaram was sung during the Dandi March by Digambar Vishnu Palushkar. Lala Lajpat Rai was assaulted by the British during the protest against the Simon Commission. Bande Mataram was first published in, the answer is Anand Math. Which school of religion started in 1867 was basically anti-British, answer Deoband. The Muslim League demanded a separate nation for Muslims in India from the year, the answer is 1940. The Janagaramana was first published in 1912 under the title of Bharat Vidhata. First Indian Council Act was passed in, the answer is 1861. Mahatma Gandhi gave the call do or die during the answer is Quit India movement. Who introduced the system of civil services? And the answer is William Bentinck. Who was named as Miraben by Mahatma Gandhi? And the answer is Madeline Salad. Who initiated the introduction of education in English in India? And the answer is Thomas Babington Macaulay. How many children did Mahatma Gandhi have? The answer is 4. All sons Hiralal, Manilal, Ramdas, Devdas. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and drop a comment to stay engaged and support our content. Thank you for being a part of our journey.